This review is of Sanjay Organic Umami Tamari Splash with red miso. It's gluten-free, organic, non-GMO, kosher, so it's safe for Jews and Muslims. It also is approved by for FODMAP and vegan. It's certified organic by QAI. And here is the blurb. Sorry, it's hard to see. Darn camera is trying to focus on my face. And here are the nutrition facts and ingredients. All right, so as you could see, 1 tablespoon has 35 calories, no fat, but 280 milligrams of sodium. So it is pretty intense in terms of the sodium. 7 grams of carbs, of which 5 are sugar. 5 grams of, all of which are added sugars, less than a gram of protein. Now, most likely, the product contains, rather than just salt, it would also contain MSG, although it does have kombu extract powder. So yeah, with yeast extract. So there is some MSG in here. And that's fine because MSG actually has less sodium than salt does. So you're actually helping yourself. And MSG really does taste good. You can use less MSG for a very nice flavor, and you can reduce your sodium intake at the same time. Okay, I got the safety seal off. It was really hard to see the tear strip. And this does have stuff that sinks to the bottom, so you do need to shake it. Like really vigorous shaking, and hoping for something really delightfully flavored. Smells like soy sauces kind of stuff. Okay, I'm not going to take too much because I don't want to overwhelm myself. Ooh, that's nice. Very flavorful. It's both salty and sweet with that touch of soy. So this is it's not the same thing as soy sauce. It's not the same thing as other things. So it's a mixture, and it's really got a really enjoyable flavor. I really, really like this one. I would give this a 9. You could use this on salads and stuff. This is really, really nice. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.